Welcome to the DoubleACS Daily News. Brian Lynch from the Mass Department of Revenue spoke at the Attleboro Council on Aging regarding the senior circuit breaker tax credit. The credit is available to people over 65 and can be as much as $1,100.
Hello everybody, my name is Brian Lynch. I'm with the Mass Department of Revenue, or the State Tax Agency. Today I am at the Attleboro Senior Center. I was invited to come down by Representative Hawkins and Representative Poirier, as well as the director here, Madeline McNeely, great, wonderful person. Today we had a little presentation about the senior circuit breaker tax credit that's available to seniors. So you do need to be 65 or older in order to be eligible, and the calculation's pretty straightforward. We're going to look at 10% of someone's income and compare that to the real estate tax that they pay together with half of their water bill. If someone's real estate tax together with half of their water bill is greater than 10% of their income, they're eligible for the credit. The maximum credit for 2019 is up to $1,130. It's a refundable credit. What I mean by that is you don't even have to have a state tax liability in order to, if you're eligible for the credit, you could get that amount refunded in full. Or if you do have a tax liability with the state, we're going to take the credit and apply that towards your tax liability with the Commonwealth and try to reduce that and hopefully bring it to zero. The folks in Attleboro and North Attleboro as well are very fortunate to have free tax service available to them in the senior centers. This tax service is provided by volunteers that are affiliated with AARP. They do excellent work, terrific. I can't say enough about the tax volunteers. You can make an appointment, call the senior center, make an appointment, bring all your financial information. It's free. They're trained by the IRS. They'll file your federal and state return for you electronically. Do it early because, like anything that's free, it fills up quickly. So don't hesitate. If you're watching, I would call the senior center right now and make an appointment to come in and have your taxes done. They're very familiar with the credit. Because they're AARP, they're very familiar with this senior credit that we're talking about. I find that a common concern is the calculation. What's considered total income? Kind of a common question is the Commonwealth doesn't tax Social Security or other public pensions, but when we're trying to determine what someone's total income is, to see if they're eligible for the credit, we are adding back in those non-taxable items. Social Security doesn't normally appear on your state tax return. However, when you're doing the calculation, those amounts would be added back in. There is information on the Mass Department of Revenue website. We're at mass.gov/DOR. Pretty extensive information about the circuit breaker credit there. I think the best thing someone could do is contact the senior center and make an appointment to come and talk to one of the tax preparers, professionals here. Again, it's free, very knowledgeable, great people. That's the way to go. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you benefit by the credit.
That's it for today's update. You can watch all of our content by visiting our website, DoubleACS.com, by downloading the DoubleACS mobile app, or if you have a Roku, you can search for the DoubleACS Roku channel. For DoubleACS News, I'm Austin Ricketts.